Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving a really interesting LeetCode problem where we will check our two strings close. If you are preparing for coding interviews or just want to master tricky string manipulation questions, this one is a must watch. And do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe before we start. So coming back to our problem, we have been given two strings, word1 and word2, and we need to determine if they are close, and two operations are allowed. We can swap any two existing characters, basically any permutation, and we can transform every occurrence of one character into another existing character and do the same for the second character, basically swapping identities. For example, AACABB, we can swap identities of A and B and it becomes BBC BAA. Okay, so let's break this down. To say two strings are close, we need same set of unique characters because we cannot introduce new ones, and same frequency multiset because operation 2 lets us swap characters identities. Okay, for example, in this one, word 1 is ABC and word 2 is BCA. We can see that it has like a word 1 and word 2 have same characters, so this identifies the condition 1. And similarly, if we check for the frequency of characters, A has one frequency, B has one frequency, and C has one frequency, and same is about word 2. So we can say that output should be true. And in example 2, if we check it that word 1 is only A and in word 2 it is double A, so character counts is 1 and 2, so that means it is not a closed string, like these two strings are not closed, so output should be false. So let's write the code for it. We will check if set of word 1 not equal to set of word 2, then we will return false, and now and again we will return sorted counter of word 1 dot values equal to sorted of counter of word 2 dot values. Okay, and we will also import from collections import counter. So as we can see here that the set of word 1 inserts all used characters match, and then counter word 1 dot and counter word 1 dot values gets the frequency of each characters, and sorting them helps us compare frequency groups regardless of the character. Okay, now we will try to run it and check if it works or not. As we can see here, our code passes all these three test cases, and now I will try to submit it and check if it works for all the test cases or not. So as you can see here that our code passes all the test cases, and it beats 90.59% of users in terms of runtime. So like you can see that if two strings use the same set of characters and have the same multi-set of frequencies, they are considered close. And this is a great example of reducing a string manipulation problem to set and multi-set logic using hash map, that means counter and set. I hope this made the concept super clear. Let me know in the comments if you have seen this kind of problem in interviews and how you approached it. Hit the like button if you found this video useful, and subscribe to Geeky Codes for more awesome Python and LeetCode solutions every day. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.